Eaves House is located in a unique location, at the intersection of a residential area and a wilderness. The elongated and sloping shape of the land is both a challenge and an opportunity for the architect to create an interesting design. Beautiful natural scenery, such as English Bay and Stanley Park, is the main backdrop for this house. Local building regulations that emphasize the shape of the roof also influence the final design of the building. Structurally, Eaves House consists of a floating concrete base and two wide roofs. These concrete bases function as a second floor that provides privacy and disguises the parking area below. The wide roofs not only protect the building, but also frame the beautiful natural scenery and filter views from the surrounding environment. The layout inside the house is designed linearly, following the elongated shape of the land. The interior and exterior spaces are seamlessly connected, creating a flowing spatial experience. The concept of a view behind a view makes every transition into a space an interesting experience. The design of Eaves House produces a unique and modern appearance. The low viewpoint when approaching the house makes the building look like two floating flat planes. The focus on strong visual fields creates a deep impression and attracts attention. Eaves House is a striking example of modern architecture that successfully combines function, aesthetics, and environmental context. Its innovative design creates a home that is not only comfortable to live in, but also an eye-catching work of art.